Ever feel like your kid's room wants to throw a rainbow party and your sanity wants a quiet corner to hide? Here's the sweet spot. You can keep the vibe playful without making permanent promises. The truth is, kids are tiny color enthusiasts, and the space should reflect that energy, but it should also be able to evolve fast. That's why the commitment-free magic matters. Removable wallpaper is literally described as all the fun without the long-term commitment. And if you're framing art, there's a safety rule baked in. Use acrylic frames for younger kids' rooms, because glass plus enthusiastic children is a bad combo. Even better, you're reminded that a room full of colorful prints isn't just exciting. It's stimulating developing brains and encouraging creativity. To ground all that color, anchor the room with Muowan's bold showpieces, playful resin figures, modern abstract accents, and bright tabletop sculptures that make the space feel finished, not frantic. Make it fun, make it yours, make it easy to change.